Noises are the strangest things in the world. How many times have you jumped from something you heard? And there is nothing there, but you're not sure. 'Cause noises are the strangest things in the world.
Have you ever seen a noise? Oh, come on. Have you ever really seen a noise?
Was he tall and thin with a great big grin? Did he do you in?
No!
But noises are the strangest things in the world. How many times have you jumped from something you heard? And there is nothing there, but you're not sure. Yeah, noises are the strangest things in the world. A noise is nothing but a sound you hear. And that's what makes you think that someone's near. But you shouldn't be scared of that. All you gotta do is make noise back. 'Cause noises are the strangest things in the world. How many times have you jumped from something you heard? And there is nothing there, but you're not sure. Yeah, noises are the strangest